Since the release of dmXLAN version 4, several new features have been implemented to make dmXLAN an even more complete tool. In this video I will highlight what's new in version 4.1. The first new feature is called scenes. In a scene you can capture the current output and play it back anytime, even with a fade time. Scenes are explained in video 19 called Scenes. The second new feature is called Tools. With a tool you can run a macro for a group of fixtures, play back a scene or control a universe. Tools can be found in the toolbar. More on tools in video 20, Tools. Also new in this version is fading. If you press the On button now, the fixture will fade to the default position. If you hold the Command on Mac or Control key on Windows, there's no fade time applied. The fade settings can be configured in the preferences. Another new feature is Search Fixture. If you start a fixture wizard, you now have the option to pick a fixture and get the manufacturer list and so on, but also you can choose Search Fixture. Here you can type the name of a fixture and the found fixtures are displayed in the list. Then you can select the right fixture and continue with the wizard. The next new feature is the network item reachability indicator. If you see the warning icon at one of your network items, this means the item is somewhere on the network, but its IP settings don't match the IP settings of this computer, and thus no communication is possible with this item. If you correct your IP settings, the warning icon will automatically disappear. The import patch feature is significantly improved. More on this in video 21, Import Patch List. In this menu we also find the new Download Patch List and Download New Fixture Library functions. If there is another computer running dmXLAN on the network, you can transfer the files from that computer to your computer, so you don't have the hassles with USB sticks anymore. Then there is also the Detect Streaming ACN Universes function. More info on this in video 22, Detect Streaming ACN Universes. Another small but useful feature is the Check Patch. This checks the patch for double patch fixtures and will indicate which fixtures collide. A new feature in the plan view is Draw Objects. Draw Objects are circles, rectangles, lines and text fields which you can add to the plan view. More on this in video 23, Draw Objects. To verify your connection to the nodes, there now is the Test Connection button. This will send a lot of packets to the node and gets all of them back. If the connection is bad, due to damaged wiring for example, you won't receive all your packets back. These results will pop up in a small report. With this version it is also possible to set a password in the node. To make changes in the node's configuration with dmXLAN, you need to enter the password. If you combine this with the Lock UI option, your setup can only be changed by people who know the password and are connected to the network. A new feature in the universe view is Show Activity. If you switch this on, the colors indicate varying values. Yellow means this value has changed since the start, and more red means this value is changing right now. You can reset it to start over or switch it off to go back to the standard universe view. The last feature I would like to show is View Output. This feature requires firmware version 2.07 or higher. With this feature you can see what the port of the node is outputting and where it gets its values from. These values are not calculated but really data which is sent from the node back to the computer. This is the end of this video. Please watch the rest of the videos for a detailed feature explanation of dmXLAN.